Very nice.
Congratulations, you made it to the top 25 on the cut, and I can't wait to see what you've got in store for us in the next round.
This is my laundry room. So this is round 2. We have 2 weeks to create a video of our choice, and I am just getting started. My name is Hugo, and this is my laundry room. This is its natural state. What do you think?
You gonna tear this apart? You got 2 weeks. Wow.
Problem is, it is always cluttered in here. I keep toilet paper, paper towel, my gym bag is always here. I don't have a lot of storage downstairs because I have a basement apartment, so a lot of clutter ends up in here. This is annoying. This happens all the time, which is just a tiny pain in the current configuration sucks, and we're gonna fix that in 2 weeks. Now let's get started. See what I mean? That's where that is.
I got you another instrument.
What is jug?
Shall we? This is what my living room looks like now. Let's put this stuff together. The downsides of IKEA cabinets. I draw everything on the wall. So I marked out all my stud locations, location of the bottom rail, location of the top rails, and I can measure exactly right off the curve ball number 12 or so. These supply lines and the drains, they're just too high. I'll have to cut this open, move the entire box down so that it's inside the cabinet. Pro tip, a washing machine makes a perfect tripod for a laser. Now we have to move this electrical box. It says right here, move. I think this is the heaviest cabinet. All right, time to hang some cabinets. Fuck, as easy as that. Ooh, that was so close. Again, with the measure twice. That's way off. Nothing, a little shim won't fix. Who's back? Bang on right here. Bang on. I also cut out this sort of 12 by 20 access panel on my side gable. The cabinets are going to butt up against here. They're going to have a hole at the bottom as well, and that's going to give me access to all the stuff behind the dryer, just crawling through this cabinet without having to pull everything out. Let's put up some doors. Now we're ready for some base cabinet installs. These are the little filler pieces that I'm using on either side of the cabinets to fill the gap between the cabinet and the walls. And I'm ripping down a sort of 1-inch backing strip, which is just a piece of a 2x4. And then I'm ripping some filler panels and using a bit of wood glue to put them together. The backsplash is done and we are getting dangerously tight on time. The deadline is in 2 days, and keep in mind, building this is one thing, editing a video and putting it together is another. So let's get this grouted. Well guys, I think we pulled it off in the nick of time. Thanks everyone for watching. Wish me luck.